Hello and welcome! Today we are going to continue with the Mixed Media Splash journal that we started last week. Masking tape to the book spine and then some inking to the sides. I use Memento Tuxedo black ink and I quite like this. And then we move on to coloring the spine, and I use black acrylic paint. These prints are from mixedmediaart.com and I printed them on thick cardstock and then some gluing. I decided to use black for the inside of the journal because the cover is so splashed with different colors, so I think this was a nice choice. And then we move on to the signatures. I make 2 signatures for this journal, and here are some tea-dyed papers that I made previously. And here you can see the prints that I chose for this journal. A5 sizes is a bit too large for this journal, so I cut off the excess. I will use these paper strips later. I will make some paper ruffles for my journals. And then it's time to measure and mark the holes for the signatures. I am using 3-hole pamphlet binding technique, and then I added some pearls and some paper beads. And then the same thing with the other signature. I added some lace to the back so that the journal's future owner can put some letters or pictures or some kind of goodies to the journal. And here is a quick flip through of the pages. Now we move on to the closing, and this ribbon is from a box of chocolates, and it's from last Christmas I gave you my heart. Sorry, I just had to do that. I think this fits perfectly to this journal, so I'm quite happy that I kept it. This ribbon was just too beautiful to be thrown away. Okay, next time we will do another mixed media splash journal with a different set of colors. But for now, thank you for watching and have a good week. Bye!